welcome back. It's time now to take a look at the top business stories. Dry Docks World to complete restructuring of $2.2 billion loan by the end of April. DFM profits fall by 3/4 in 2010 but beat analysts' forecasts. And Japan's Nikkei index suffers the largest drop in 24 years. Let's look at the equity markets first. The UAE bourses both ended lower today. Dubai's DFM General Index fell 1.9% to close at 1,447 points. The transportation sector lost the most. Air Arabia, for instance, fell by 1.1%. One of the largest losers was Dubai stock market operator itself. Shares of the DFM fell by 5.6% after the company reported full-year profits that fell sharply compared to 2009 levels. Du fell 2.6%. Heavyweight Emaar Properties dropped 2.5%. Arab Tech Holding fell 5.6%. 116 million shares were traded, valued at 173 million dirhams. And over in the capital, the ADX fell 0.6% to close at 2,614 points, with the real estate sector posting the largest losses. Alder Properties dropped 3.8%. Suru Real Estate fell 2.8%. The banking sector was mixed. Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank rose 3%, while Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank fell 0.7%. And First Gulf Bank dropped by 1.2%. Index heavyweight Etisalat fell 1.8%. 59 million shares were traded, valued at 83 million dirhams. Like the UAE equity markets, the GCC countries' main benchmarks ended lower today. And now to our top stories. Dry Docks World, that's a unit of Dubai World, is looking to complete the restructuring of a $2.2 billion loan by the end of April. The chairman of DDW, Kamis Juma Bouamin, said that this loan is the only major syndicated loan facility they are restructuring. The rest are smaller bilateral loans which are being dealt with separately. DDW has another $1.7 billion loan that will mature in November this year. Dubai stock market operator Dubai Financial Market recorded a profit of 79 million dirhams in 2010. That's a fall of 77% from the previous year. Although recording a drop, the profits beat analysts' expectations. 2010 revenues halved to stand at 260.5 million dirhams. Essa Kazim, CEO of the DFM, said in a statement that the 60% decline in the DFM's trading volume last year reflected on the company's revenues and net profits. Analysts say a merger between the DFM and the ADX could help boost volumes. And in our fast financial news, Sultan bin Said Al Mansouri, the UAE's Minister of Economy, says the country's economy is growing faster than expected. The minister also said that economic diversification will be key to growth, with a vast amount of investment opportunities in various sectors that have yet to be tapped. The IMF expects the UAE's economy to grow by 3.3% this year. Dubai's trade volume is expected to rise 16% this year, according to the Emirates' head of customs. Non-oil direct trade is expected to reach 1.2 trillion dirhams by 2015. That is an average growth of 16% per year, Ahmad Bouti, Director General of Dubai Customs, said. Dubai's non-oil trade reached 576 billion dirhams in 2010, up 18% from 2009 levels. South Korean imports from the UAE hit $12.2 billion last year, up 31% from 2009 levels, according to the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry. This marks the emirate as the 9th largest import market into Korea and the 2nd largest from the Middle East, with oil dominating trade ties. And after the break, we will run you through what's making the headlines in international business today.